I gave all my time to the wrong mistakes. Tried to run fear, but it always stayed. Every open road still feels the same, but I'm learning now it's okay to change. If I could rewind the nights, I'd tell myself I'll be alright. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to.
Yo, yo, yo. What's up, guys? يا مهند عامل ايه يا اخويا؟ جيب بنك ستيتمنت. بنك ستيتمنت احسن حاجة. Let's go to top down analysis here. نفس الادرس اللي انت كاتبه، مش نفس ادرس البطاقة ولا اي حاجة. موضوع سهل يعني، متقلقش خالص. هو بس بتروح البنك تعمل كشف حساب. وبتعدل بس عنوان البنك لو مش مظبوط بتعدله، وبيتعدل في خلال يوم يومين كده. Okay guys, starting this week we are very bearish on NQ. حبيبي اخويا. I'm very late to this macro just because of my internet connection once more. I need to start fixing that. I need to draw my old drawings because I've been charting here the whole day. I took a trade and I was break even. But let's go over this day quickly here. So what we got going on now is that we are in this hard time frame refined EQ. We're in premium here. As you can see, we reclaimed this hourly SIPI. Then we formed this hourly SIPI here as well. And during the 1050 macro, we have went up, macro opened low, macro opened here, opened high, into what? Into equilibrium of this dealing range. You can literally see high, low, EQ, respected. Where does it reject from? 930 first presentation. Formed an SMR here with SMT. I believe here, yeah. SMT here. NQ is a weak pair. Should have delivered down to these lows. But they decided to push from this devil's mark up all the way back. And leave this low engineered. So I'm still bearish to take out this low. The engineered sell side once more here. But look at this. Devil's mark. Being a drawn liquidity. Hello Lunga, what's up brother? How you doing? So I'm still looking for price to sell all the way lower towards this engineered sell side above this NWAG here. Most likely this will be the best sells here. Let's take a look at this RTH gap. I know I have already filled it. Okay, perfect. Just want to put the quadrants on of this RTH gap. Might see some rejection from it. I'll make sure that my first analogs are on here and they're on. How are we doing, guys? How's the day going? By the way, I got stopped break even here just because I didn't enter from this order block. My entry should have been this order block, but I didn't. I wasn't able to enter. My broker wasn't connecting, so I just took this entry of this inversion here, right 1 minute afterwards, and I got stopped out of break even. But it should have been a win here. It's all good. Okay, now I'm looking to take out this high because that's engineered sell side, engineered buy side now. So once we take out that high, let's look for SMT and ES. What's up, Sharky? How you doing, man? I think the camera is really high today. I need to fix this camera position. Once again, new camera, I will fix this position. Like I'll buy a better one because this one is not stable. You could also target previous weekly close or the settlement, or I think we've already did take it, or even the settlement price. I think we have tapped both of them. Right, Lunga? You mean this close, right? Yeah, Tamu, the Fed speech, I agree with you. The Fed speech is a manipulative day. You can already see that here. They only went for the devil's mark. They left this low hanging here. But we learned the lesson, man. When you get these A+ setups, you still have to set your stop loss at break even. Once you get a chance to, and I put my stop loss at break even here with this gap. Once we flip this gap, I put my stop loss to break even, and then it went to break even. But the trade should have been a win from this order block entry, but I couldn't enter here because of connection, but all good. Okay, we're not taking that, guys, because there's relative equal highs above. I think that's all manipulation here. Because you can't really short with relative equal highs up here. I think market will go one more time up here. Stupid. I'm not taking a trade here, guys. Just making sure I don't have any limits. I forgot. But I'm not taking any trades here, just because we're short of this previous high. Like, really short of it. More like... $2,273. I don't know which low you're talking about, bro. Are you talking about this low? I don't know. You're talking on this contract? Is it a big difference? Oh, you're looking at hard time frame. Okay. Yes, I get it now. 2273. Yeah. I got what I mean. Yeah, 2273. I agree, bro. I agree. I also have this hard time frame discount, and this low is hanging right at top of it. So you're correct. This is our drone liquidity here. Nice one, man. Yeah, nice one. But I want to see them closing or see displacement through this busy. I don't want to see that type of fraction here. Let's see how they'll do it this week. Well, I agree with you. We're going down there. I'll pass my account this week. Just need 2 winning trades. That's about it. Just 2 winning trades, boss. Let me get the charger. Lights. Oh, Ziad Sharif. First of all, I admire your hard work. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. You know, we're trying the best, man. We're trying our best. Thank you, brother. We're relatively equal heights. Let's wait and see. Yeah. May I ask what strategy you're working on? So we're working with a strategy that is coming from ICT concepts. Basically, I'm trading a strategy called Macro Po3. That's how it's spelled. But I think you're a beginner. Okay, Macro Po3. This strategy goes into different like usage of ICT concepts. I will break it all down on my YouTube soon. I will make videos about it, but you can check out Real Trader Tim's YouTube. He has a lot of videos in it, but I will make my own videos because I have a special way of of trading it aside from him that I have found that is working through data, and I have my own data sets. So I'll create my own videos soon on YouTube. Like maybe next week I'll start dropping the first lecture on this model and give my own take on it. But it's basically we're trading the last 10 minutes of the hourly candle and the first 10 minutes of the next hourly candle. We're trading in this time interval. We look for trades between these 2 time intervals. We look for trades into the hard time frame direction with specific criteria, and yeah, that's about it. You can learn more about it on YouTube for sure. There's a lot of videos on it, not just him, but a lot of people have been using it lately. Your short ES at 6.546. Let's look at that. 6.546. Whoa. Okay, very nice entry, Sharky. Let's see how it plays out. I'm waiting patiently, to be honest, because NQ has relative equal highs there. Let's look at that. There was SMT's YM on the 15. Would you have preferred SMT's NQ? No. SMT's YM is still fine if you use it like on a regular basis. I of course prefer an NQ personally, but data says that YM is still it's still valid because it has 99% correlation as well. It's only 1% off. It's 98 with YM, but with NQ it's 99. The correlation last year was crazy. I just don't like YM because sometimes it's like YM is like going different places. Like it's at this high and NQ is right here, so it's like unreadable. You know, it will always give SMTs most of the time, but with ES it's much cleaner. But yeah, well done, Sharky. Nice break even, great one. Nice. Tim shorted the 1050 macro with the order block entry as well. That's amazing. Sadly, I wasn't able to take this order block entry. Thank you so much, Ziad. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much, Shark. I really appreciate it. Trying my best. I will drop a lot of videos soon on how to trade like me and how to do the same as I do exactly. Thank you, brother. Really appreciate it, man. Thank you. Markets are just trash today. It was very good here, but I missed this entry. I'm looking for these size to get ran before taking in trades. Even if it goes to my take profit here, or my target here, even if it goes to my target here, doesn't matter. What matters is that we followed the system here, followed the process, and waited patiently. So let's just wait. Let's wait. Thank you so much, Ziad. Really appreciate it, brother. Thank you. This is amazing, guys. Thank you so much. Going to Tim here. What's your target on NQ equal lows around 10M? Holding this low. My target on NQ, if I was short here, I'll be targeting this low specifically. Aim low because it's right above this NWG and it's engineered. So I'll be looking for these lows to be taken, but I'm not short here because there's a draw here, relative equal highs, and there's a draw here. So there's magnets on both sides of the market, so I'm not really short. But ES and NQ I'll be targeting lower here. I think ES has the same scenario. Let me double check that. No, ES has relative equal lows. Yeah. So ES is still engineered as well. Yeah, ES is engineered, and NQ is engineered. But my only worry is that NQ is engineered on both sides. Has relative equal highs and this low. So we gotta wait one of them to get taken. We're in this range basically. I'm waiting person. There's nothing to do here other than patience, waiting. I will stay up till 1250 macro. I think we'll get a trade by 1250 if we don't at 1150. Might get this win for the week. Start the week going. Because there's great targets here and there's great potential for a trade. Let's wait and see. I'll also take a trade until 1220 here. Using this buffer. Thank you so much, Sharky. I mean, we're trying, man. I've paid a lot to be this disciplined. I've paid a lot in accounts and personal money, you know. So when you just lose too much, it's there's no other choice. You just gotta wait. You just gotta be disciplined, because you know that the seconds that you're not disciplined, you're gonna lose your money again. You're gonna lose your hard-earned money, and it doesn't feel good. If you just stay disciplined and you yeah, I know, like I can see, Sharky, you're a very good trader, and of course very good traders paid the price for that. You have a lot of experience, so yeah, 100%, man, 100%. We've all lost, for sure. Without losing, we wouldn't have been great traders. We wouldn't have been there, so. The only thing that hurts me the most is that the people that lose for no reason, like they're just losing and they're not doing anything properly, like they're not trading a proper model or trying to improve, reflecting on their losses. They're just taking losses and like slipping it under the rug and doing the same process again and again and again. The most important thing is when you lose, just take a step back and check, like, is my model correct? Is what I'm doing is according to my model, or do I even have an edge, or am I the problem or the model? You know, you need to take a step back always and reflect on that. I'm waiting here. Imagine they push hard with it at this candle, like Friday. I'm still editing that clip from Friday. I didn't finish editing it. Had work. But yeah, this clip will go hard. We took a serious loss there. The sun is going down, man. What's the time for you, Shark?
point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. I fell where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well,
Yo, welcome Macro Trader. How are you doing, brother?
is what I tell myself, so I could feel
Yo, yo, yo.
yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my styling. Where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday.
Yo, Macro Trader. I'm good. Waiting you to. Yeah, I'm waiting for the equal lows or this engineered low. Hey, Aya, how are you doing? Hi, good to see you live. Best of luck. Thank you so much, Aya. Thank you so much. We've been going live for a month now, maybe 3 weeks. Been trying. I don't know. The sun faded. Didn't realize. Give me a second. Yeah, the sun is gone. I think these lows will get taken and this relative equal lows on ES. And then probably we can get along. But as I've said, we'll be waiting for 1250. Now, how are you doing, how's it going? How are you doing, Macro Trader? I would have preferred the short doing 1250. Another short continuing lower here towards our engineer sell side, but right now I don't think we have a choice other than longing and wrong here after clearing out this engineered cell site that we wanted since morning. Today would have been perfect if the stream started earlier and my internet was working properly. Would have taken this trade together from this order block that Tim took as well. This was an easy entry there. TPs would have been done. Let's see if we get an A+ setup as well.
So purely, I'm pushing myself to the edge. Now I wouldn't go away. Been testing
Macro, did you take any trades?
I've been pushing my mind to the most.
And short, are you out of the CS short or still holding till the relative equal lows on ES?
So paranoid.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby? Why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Waiting here, guys. I think I'm about to open a game of chess. We'll go back to our lovely chess till the macro is done. But guys, I'm terrible. I've been I've been losing a lot of games lately. What is this? Your division started? What's a division? I don't know. Let's just go for it. I don't know what's that. Oh, it's like a rank league or something. Temo, are you here? Maybe we can get a game with Temo on stream. Or if Flo is here.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when
Anybody wants to jump in a game of chess, guys? I think nobody's here that plays chess. Lunch, take aim, and one open lose, possibly draw. 2, 3. Let me look at that. Lunch, take aim, and one open lose, possibly draw. Yeah. Yeah, I see what you're looking at, but through there. Okay. Let's look at this relatively close here. RZ taking. They're taking. Okay. Oh, this low is still valid here. This lows here. It's a lot of sell side liquidity being engineered here. In a market maker sell model, this is the consolidation or first stage of accumulation. This could be the target. But yeah, we will see how launch trades. By the way, guys, you know, ICT has just introduced the first hour dealing range equilibrium. It's somehow today it worked as well. Somehow today it was like great. Basically, the first hour dealing range is from 9:30 to 10:30. That's your first hour dealing range. That's when you mark out your dealing range from the high and low. And basically that was the equilibrium, and short it down there. 15-minute wick, 50%. Even right here. I'll look at that as well. Nice observations, Long. Love your analysis, man. But I would rather wait till 45 here to do my analysis pre-macro, because I think everything we already know. We're just gonna wait for the right setup to come into our hands, the A+ setup, and then we will execute. To be gems in that video. Yeah, for sure, Macro Trader. That video was insane, not gonna lie. That video was great. I'm gonna rewatch it again today. Anyone wants to play chess, guys? Before I join the game. Because I'm gonna wait till 45 here, as always. Long, I don't think it's respecting the 15-minute wick. See here, doesn't look like it. It's about to take the low now. Let's see this closure and then I will remove that. Yeah, I think it's going to the low now. She's gone, man. She is gone. Okay, let's play a game of chess as we wait here. Maybe we can we get out? Okay, never mind. Alright, let's play that. Oh no, I hate that. Okay, he's going for my rook now. They pay attention to this opening, so I can do something nice here. Can check him. I think we won the game here. Unless isn't that game? Oh wait, I didn't see that. Okay, yeah, I know there was something, but it's all good, so good. I lost that game either ways. Now I'm losing that game. His screen took everything basically from me. I mean, let's go for it. Let's throw it, but we're losing that position as a raise. Let's see if we can still win against him. Okay, so we got a nice position here. I got a very nice position. We can go here. We'll fork his king and his rook. I don't think he sees it. If he sees it, he will move his king here. And if he moves his king here, we can castle. He doesn't see it. Okay, now he has to move his king, and I will take his rook. There we go. I think we're gonna try to win that game, but it's a very difficult game. This horse is not logged anymore. This pawn. How can I pressure him here? Check. Let's go there. Oh, I lost that knight. Oh no, my bad. How didn't he see that? Easy game. This guy is not good. This guy's not good. This guy is worse than me, guys. I think we can win that game. Oh, he's checking me there. I don't know how he's gonna take my rook, but I think the best decision is to sacrifice the bishop here. Or just sacrifice this rook for my rook. Because he's up material other ways, so if he's gonna take the rook, I don't know how we came back in that game. Well, engineer sell side once more on NQ there. Yes, I think it's leaving the relative equal lows there as well. Sharky, I think that's a great point to partial if you don't wanna risk it, because he might play around. I think that's a great one. Forking that and protecting this pawn here. Otherwise it was protected here, but he goes for this pawn, and this one is not weak. There you go. Now I need to start playing. Nice. Well done, Shark. Amazing. Really good. Well done. Try. Really good, brother. Well done. Amazing trade. 26 points on ES is crazy. It's very good. Nice hold, man. Whoa. I want to check now. I want to be aggressive here, because he is gonna push that. Can't get it though. Let's take that first. Trailed my stop all the way down once we took 1% low. Sank for 15 low. Once he took 15 low. Oh, this low here. Right? Yeah, perfect, man. Well done, brother. Amazing trade. Okay. This is a blunder here. It's an M15, okay. Yes, let's check that. Okay, yeah, very nice. Well done. He has got Devil's Mark as well on this high here, which could take us up all the way lower, up or all the way to the upside here. Not bad. Oh, did we lose this? Thank you so much, Sharky. I think we're gonna lose that game here. This game is very tough. Trying to think of a way to win here. We got time, we got time. Let's try to think about it. This horse is logged, okay. But if we go here and he eats, we can eat. Yeah, I'll go here, because if he goes to eat my bishop now, I can eat his queen. And he will be forced to eat my rook, and I have a trap. There we go. I have a trap with my horse. He has to back off. Now I get to take his rook. Okay. Now he takes my bishop, I don't really care about it. Could care less. Now I take his queen. Okay guys, we just came back in a very losing position. I don't know how. I want to clear these pawns here. Because the only way for him to win is a pawns. So now we're gonna try and clear these pawns. I wanna do something smart here. Okay, never mind. Check. Okay. I'll leave my horse here. He has this pawn logged, so we gotta wait for these pawns. Okay, I'll take this pawn. What? Oh, okay, I didn't see that. Because push this, okay. No, let's play that. I can't push this. Okay, go for it. So take this one. Oh, I don't know how we won that game. Whoa, that was a crazy comeback. We lost that game in the beginning here with this strong opening he had. This opening was so strong. How could I have countered this opening? I think pushing this pawn here would have been the best choice. I saw he was preparing an attack here with this, and then pushing here, and the queen wins the game. So I pushed this one forward. I decided to push here. So actually, it's a very strong attack by white as well. This horse here is killing. Nice ball game. Now we're gonna wait for the macro. Okay. Waiting here. Yeah, we play chess on stream every day, man. Thank you so much. You should join us one day. If you know how to play chess, you should join us in a game. For sure. Like, after this macro, we can play a game together if you want. I'll play every day on stream. Okay. So what we gotta do before this macro is mark out the possible dealing ranges as we always do. Let's prepare for this macro, guys. Now it's 40, so I hope they leave this sell side engineered. If they leave this sell side engineered down there, we're gonna get a great trade. These are the possible dealing ranges I see, and that's the highest one. But even so, we have relative equal highs. I don't really care about them at this point because we're very close to the lows. So I would rather trade the lows. So I avoided this reversal here. But now since they have made it a high and a prominent high in the market, maybe it will be used as a drawn liquidity later on. But for now we know that it's engineered, yeah, but they have made a smart money reversal. For now we know we're in the market maker sell model already. So you can see already from the hard time frame closures and the hourly respecting this SIBI here, closing below this SIBI. You can see that we are pushing lower here towards the engineered sell side and the NWAG high. And we also got a lot of sell side liquidity that we've spoken about here on the NWAG, which is a consolidation after the smart money reversal. First stage, second stage, and yeah, you can go on here. So what I would be looking for is a reversal from premium price. Ideally I want to see this dealing range work, not the smaller one. I want to also see SMTs here. What is SMTs there? Okay, I prefer this higher dealing range, but let's wait and see. We're gonna keep posting the charts other ways. No SMTs whatsoever on these highs. On the dealing range highs, this high or this high. Don't see an SMT. With ES, I'm looking with ES. Okay. I don't look at YM. I think YM will be drunk somewhere. Okay, now YM is actually aligned with us today. Somehow. It's not doing something crazy. But yeah. We're gonna wait for a reversal here during the macro. Take this short. We got 7 minutes left. We're just waiting here. Nothing to do here, guys. We just gotta wait for the time to trade. No, guys, when I got stopped at break even here, I almost tilted, I'm not gonna lie. But because I still know that this order block entry was a win. And I've even, like, I gave a 1-to-1, I gave more than 1-to-1, like, gave a 1.8 there. That's my model. This should have been a win. And when I entered here, I wanted to get the 1-to-1 and get out. Man, when it stopped me out of break even, I was like, what should I do? Because it's not the right entry, it's not the right break even level, so it could still go in my favor. But I just decided to let it go. You know, I just decided to protect my capital, protect my risk, and let it go. And these small moments is what makes your breaks, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I used to tilt a lot over these moments, and these moments used to cost me a lot of progress and a lot of hard-earned money the way it's gone. So you should always pay attention to when you're going to tilt or when you're going to basically take a decision impulsively, and just take a step back. Because this is a very great example for me today. I almost tilted here because my internet was terrible and I missed this entry. I was trying to enter, but I couldn't. I was not trying to. Sorry. The stream was not trying to get it to start, and the trade of it wasn't working. I wasn't able to get an entry here, so I was just stressing about it. But then when I got this entry and I waited for 1-to-1, you know, when I got stopped at break even, I almost lost it here, but worked very hard for these moments, not to like break down or anything because of these moments. So that was great. I think we'll keep this chart on for now, just to show you my position, or maybe you can trade here. I don't know. Let's see. Been trying to think of a layout to show you my positions as well. What I found the best way will be is a third screen. So I need to get a third screen because the problem is I always analyze the market on NQ, my bad. So I don't analyze on MNQ. So because NQ is the correct chart in my opinion, so I always analyze on NQ, not MNQ. So it's very tricky showing my position while trading as well. I don't know how I can do that, because I take trades on MNQ and I chart on NQ. I enter page of NQ, so it's kind of different. It's kind of difficult, sorry. So I need a third screen somehow, but we will buy a third screen next week, maybe, or this week. Put it somewhere. I need a bigger desk as well. I got a nice PC, so I don't need a full setup. I just need a bigger desk and a shared screen and a mic. I need to get a mic and better lighting as well, because this lighting is about to die now. We're gonna, yeah, it's dying actually. It died. I called that as well. Okay. So this light died. Yeah, we need to buy a proper light now. It may open more lights, guys. Maybe it's just better, I don't know. I think this would create more shadows. Yeah, because there's a lot of light in the background. Yeah, this is gonna make me really dark. Yeah, dark side, you know, there will be one dark side. Okay, just gotta work with this till the light charges, guys. Gotta work with this dark lightning somehow. A second, guys. Okay, now let's turn the music down now. I'll just turn it off here. Okay, let's focus on the charts now. I don't like trading with music, I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's just fun to waste, like, to make time go fast, but when I'm trading, I don't like listening to music at all. Yeah, if this is a spooling macro, this will be terrible. So, for real. I gotta wait for this manipulation, guys. So wait for manipulation up here, and maybe pop this high and then go lower. But if they go all the way close to this equilibrium, we gotta wait this equilibrium to get tapped before going into any shorts. So that's the plan going forward. So we're looking for shorts. Why is that? Just breaking it down again. Daily is bearish, and we're still not in premium discount. Hourly has reached a premium of its dealing range, and we can see that we're respecting bearish order flow now as well. In the 15-minute, you can see that clearly. We have left relative equal highs, but now that's in the past, it's very high up. We have avoided the smart money reversal because of it. Now we're gonna trade the continuation trade, which is an A+ trade. Why is that? Because you have your lows engineered above the aim low, above NOG here. That's a very strong continuation cause. What we're gonna wait for is premium and order flow to align with us, and then we're gonna go short. So premium in that case is one of these dealing ranges. We're already in premium here, but we gotta sweep this high. And this will be maybe sorry. There. Okay, this after we sweep this high, we can probably go short. But if it comes this close to equilibrium here, I will wait for this EQ to get tapped. So it's one of them. Let's wait for SMT as well. I know it's really dark. My lightning is not great today because I didn't charge it. Forgot to charge it. I'm gonna lie. Need to buy a better lightning without the charger. We'll work with that. Got an hourly open in 7 minutes. We're waiting for the sweep, guys. Waiting for the sweep of this high. They've created a very tiny reversal here with SMT, I believe. That's very tiny here. Very shallow stop run. This could go lower now. From premium already. I'm gonna wait here. Okay, she's gone. I'm going to wait here, guys. I'm not just going to enter because it gave a order block here or breaker block here, tiny one. I'm gonna wait. Even if I miss it, it's okay. Just looking at these time frames here for any clues. What price is doing here? But I think it's ready to go as well. I just don't like this entry, but she has already tapped premium here and gave manipulation during the macro. This could be a potential run to our target, but I'd rather wait here. Let's see. I'll put in the lights now. I know they're dead, but I think we're gonna get an entry soon. There we go. The vehicle highs up here. 13 opening in 1 minute. The 1 p.m. candle is opening, guys. We're very bearish today. Let's see how the 1 p.m. prints. We're tracking the hourly PS3 here as well. This indicator will show us this hourly PS3 in a minute. Just waiting patiently here, guys. There we go. Push hard. Hourly open high will be perfect, and then we'll take shorts. There we go. Here's the hourly open. Welcome back, Sharky. We're waiting for this sell setup here. I have an hourly open high engineered sell side on the lows. Waiting for these highs to get taken before any entry. Let's get it, bro. She is pushing lower. Price above 320. 320. Okay. Okay, that will also be nice at the equilibrium there. If we get that, that would be great. I'll short as well there, of course. But we just gotta wait. There she goes. The low is gone now. Aim low is next. The trade is gone. Okay, so it's all good. Aim low is gone now on NQ. It's still short of analog here. It's still engineered here. Let's wait and see. Yeah. Trust me, man. I don't have pressure. Like I've taken, like I've made so many setups like that. I've taken too many scenarios like that, so it's all good. It's all good. That's the dealing range we'll be going with now. Since it's right above this highs, I'm still looking for shorts here. If they clear this highs, because it's still short of analog here. Okay, so we still have the engineer sell side, guys. It's no big deal here. I see something in the way. This is also engineer buy side up here. There's an SMT on the lows. Still prefer shorts because this low is engineered here. So if we run higher, take out these highs, tap equilibrium. Okay, we can get great shorts here. This will be amazing. Also, how's this dealing range doing? Bad. Okay, I want to see this run higher now. And then take shorts following that. We're gonna look for a trade until 120 here. If we don't get a trade by 120, I think that will be it, guys. Let's wait and see. There she goes. I think she's gone, man. Let's play some music. To be honest, this music is terrible. So we'll try to find the best one. Because all no copyright music. So, yeah, it's not bad.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself.
It's still low, man. She just took the low. Turbo. Thank you, you're bad girl. Thank you's a bad girl for real. We got the SMT against the order flow now. She's gone. Goes. I can't even go long here to be against my model unless we inverse all of these CBs, which is very hard. I'll go long if we inverse all of that here. That's the only scenario where I would go long. Right here. We'll probably get a breakaway gap here if we do that, and that would be our stop loss. Still fix or as well.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily.
This is the 1 minute inversion here, but you gotta wait this 2 minutes to inverse all of that, which we don't have time for because we're already out of time here. Debating whether to take this long or not. It's kind of risky here. Let's check that midnight. There's a midnight candle. Still have an SMT with a midnight candle there. No, it's way better. This busy here. But order flow is against the idea, and the higher time frame order flow is against the idea. So I'm not gonna take a trade here, guys. We're just gonna wait patiently. This PM session, maybe we can get a trade. But this trade here is not worth the risk. You can see if we wanna go with the order flow, 2 minutes is still bearish until we flip all of these CBs, and we don't have time for that. Same thing on the hourly, etc. as we have broken down the day. The only thing that was pushing me to take a long here is that we're rejecting all this daily busy, but we have been in a daily open high candle, so we might flip and then see some volume to EQ here or CE. So I'll not be risking an entry here. I'll wait in the PM session, maybe we can get a great entry. I'll not waste my risk here. We're gonna wait now patiently and we'll get our sell. So I think that would be it for today. I'll be posting if I'll take a trade on X like I did on Friday. Before I took the trade, I posted it on X. Make sure to follow me there. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for joining. Thank you, Sharky. Thank you, Nick. And Longa Macro Trader, Aya, Tamu, and Ziad. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate you being here. It means a lot. And I'll catch you in the next one. See you. Peace out.